Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start using your GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And first you'll need to get the GoPro Quick app and set up the camera on your iPhone or Android smartphone. I shown you in my previous video on how to exactly set up this device. Then we can open our app. Here click on control your GoPro. You can always also click on the camera itself and it should transfer you to the camera view. Also make sure that your camera is powered on in that process. Now we can enable preview to see the camera on our phone. As you can see, it works fine, but it's a bit delayed. Now to turn off preview, click right here, but let's enable it anyway. And to begin recording, simply click on the shutter button, and now it should start recording video. To stop it, you can also click on the stop button right here, or use the camera manually. So that's the red circle, which is the recording button, and also shutter. Click on it to begin recording, and to stop it, do the same thing. Now to check our videos that we recorded, we can go for the app, and here's all of the videos. You also need a SD card for everything, so make sure to connect one in the slot right here. You can also check our previous video on how to do it. And you can preview your videos on this card as well if you connect it to your PC or phone. You can customize different settings by going to this range button and adjust it. And that's basically all of the information you need to begin recording. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.